Hello, mighty Moddelers! In this video I'm going to build Titanic, made by Revell. So, in the kit are included this instruction manual. Instruction manual is also straightforward. Of course, this kit made for 100th anniversary for Titanic, so they are included some postcards, and menu. And of course this cute book, which was included interiors of original Titanic, like Jim, etc. So I start gluing this maybe like telescopes or something like that, and now I gluing this part with revell contactor. And I use extra thin glue, Mr. Cement S. Because this kit are very inaccurate, so I must fill some places with a putty. Afterward I use cotton swab in mostly in water and clean it. Of course with nail files. Now I'm going to mix some paints for this part, because I melt down the putty and I must repaint it, that part, with white acrylic color. Now I'm cleaning some mold lines and now I make this section. Of course now I use again extra thin glue, but plastic magic. So here it is, two parts. Now I cutting from the sprue other part. And use Vallejo color, grey. Now I color this part. So here are the four pieces together. I must use a ruler and that piece which was included in the kit, and I must this rope glue it with extra thin glue to the plastic. Now I'm gluing this part with revell. Now these 4 parts gluing on the deck of a Titanic. Use extra thin glue for better hold. Now I'm cleaning the mold lines on the letters. I use for gluing what I supporting on the chains. And here is Lifeboats, which was painted with Vallejo light gray. For painting I using brush made by Da Vinci. Here it is. Now I painting small windows with black color and cleaning excess color with dry napkin. Afterward I try upper deck attached to the lower, but it's not fit well as I think. So after that I must cut these stairs and glue it afterward. This is the using of course nail files, revell contactor for holding the boats, and of course extra thin glue to better hold. Now I use Loctite to protect to hold these strings. Now I'm gluing chimneys on the upper deck. Of course with Mr. Cement S and Revell. Now I use decal softer to decals, maybe just softer. And here is the finished mold.